When we first met Andre, we were thinking about doing the basement and maybe the main floor. And he asked a lot of questions, trying to figure out what our pain points are, how we live. He kept pushing back on us, saying, what about this, what about that? And just really made us focus and think about what we really need, what our priorities are. And he put us in touch with Olga, the designer, and she came up with this beautiful design. I know what I like when I see it, but to come up with the ideas, that's not my forte. We loved the design, we went for it, but when we were ready to start, they came in every day like clockwork before 7 o'clock. They were ready to start work right at 7. Didn't miss a day. The site manager, Sergey, he was, smiling face every day when I left with the dog, and we were still living here during the process. He would update us on what they were doing for the day. He would be corralling all his workers and giving them their orders, although they, through the design process, they knew exactly what they had to do and when. So there was no delays in the work.
They were super efficient. They always made sure it was they cleaned up as best as possible at the end of the night, so we weren't having to trample through dirt and stuff like that, which I thought was really nice.
Yeah, because we were living here throughout it, so every day. And just the process, it was so smooth, end to end. We just loved working with everybody involved. Communication was very strong. They always checked in, and it was done faster than they said they estimated. So we were happy about that because we were working with certain time constraints as well.
I say they kept us in the loop. That's what, as Laurie mentioned, kept us in the loop quite well, and that was good where they kept us up to date and gave us timelines too, which was good, knowing that, okay, you need this from us by this date. We made sure we had those products available for them, which helped a lot.
Yeah, we knew right from at the beginning of the project, okay, get your new faucet by this date, get your appliances by this date, arrange for installation by this date. We knew all the dates right at the beginning, so there was no surprises, there was no stress. Mm-hmm. So we love our big new open space, and it's so bright and open, and that's exactly what we wanted. Thanks, Asna. We love the process, we love everything you did, the design, the construction. It was a great experience. Thank you so much. I like living in my house again.
Thank you.